If Chrome on Windows 10 is showing the ERR_connection_reset error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy fixes you can try step by step. This problem is often caused by a temporary network glitch, a bad cache, a VPN or proxy conflict, or even corrupted browser settings. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without advanced technical skills. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel, and it keeps you updated with more quick fixes and troubleshooting guides. Let's start with the first method, which is restarting your internet connection and your PC. This is one of the fastest things you can do because temporary network issues can trigger the ERR_connection_reset message. First, restart your Wi-Fi router or modem. If your router has a power button, turn it off, wait about 30 seconds, and turn it back on. If not, unplug it from power for a moment and plug it back in. After that, restart your computer as well. Once both devices have restarted, reconnect to the internet and test Chrome again. In many cases, that alone can clear the issue. If the error is still there, move on to the next fix, which is clearing Chrome's cache. Over time, Chrome stores cookies and cached files that can become outdated or corrupted, and that may interfere with loading websites properly. To do this, open Google Chrome and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Here, make sure to select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. You can leave other options unchecked if you only want to clear the problem areas. Then click Delete Data. After that, close Chrome completely and reopen it, then try visiting the website again. This step is very useful if the browser itself is holding on to broken connection data. Now let's try the third method, which is disabling VPN or proxy settings. VPNs and proxies are useful in many situations, but sometimes they can interrupt your connection and cause Chrome to fail with this reset error. If you're using a VPN app, turn it off temporarily and try Chrome again. If you have a proxy enabled in Windows, you should disable that as well. To do that, open Windows Settings, go to Network and Internet, then find Proxy Settings. Make sure any manual proxy is turned off unless you specifically need it for work or school. Once VPN and proxy are disabled, refresh Chrome and test the connection again. If the page loads normally now, then the VPN or proxy was likely the cause. If none of those methods work, the next step is to reset your network-related settings. This is a very effective fix, especially when Windows networking components have become stuck or misconfigured. To do this, you need to open Command Prompt as an administrator. You can do that by typing Command Prompt in the Windows search bar, right-clicking it, and choosing Run as Administrator. When the black command window opens, type the following command exactly as shown, ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. This command clears the DNS cache on your computer, which can help remove old or broken network records. After the command completes, restart your PC once again and test Chrome. If the error still appears after that, we can go one step further and reset Chrome itself. Sometimes browser settings get changed in a way that causes connection issues, and resetting Chrome can bring everything back to a clean state. To do this, open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, click Settings. In the Settings page, scroll down or use the search bar to find Reset Settings. Click that option, then select Restore Settings to their original defaults. Chrome will show a confirmation message explaining what will be reset. If you're ready, click Reset Settings. This will disable extensions, clear temporary settings, and return Chrome to its default configuration without deleting your bookmarks or save passwords. After the reset, restart Chrome and check whether the ERR_connection_reset error is gone. If the problem continues after all these steps, it could be caused by your antivirus, firewall, or internet service provider settings, but for most users, one of these fixes will solve it quickly. The key is to go step by step so you can identify which part is causing the issue. I hope this tutorial helped you fix Google Chrome error ERR_connection_reset on Windows 10. If it worked, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you want, check the channel for more Chrome and Windows fixes that can save you time and frustration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.